Good to Great by Jim Collins. Do not be satisfied with being merely good or excellent. Discover what it takes to be great. Jim Collins says, no matter how dramatic the end result, the good to great transformation never happened in one fell swoop. There was no single defining action, no grand program, no one killer innovation, no solitary lucky break, no miracle movement. Rather, it is the process, relentlessly pushing a giant, heavy flywheel in one direction, turn upon turn, building momentum until a point of breakthrough and beyond. Most important point I learned from this book is, first, these companies, they got the right people on the bus and the wrong people off the bus, and then figure out where to drive it. Here is another important point. Great vision without great people is irrelevant. Jim Collins quote Winston Churchill, I had no need for cheering dreams. Facts are better than dreams. Collins has a three-circle model to test for greatness. The first circle is awareness of what you can be the best in the world at. This involves a realistic appreciation of your abilities. It is not about letting your ego run wild. Neither will it involves simply that you are competent at what you have been doing for years, may not what you can be great at. The second circle is what drives your economic engine, that is, where exactly your profit comes from in the most abundance. The third circle is passion, very simply doing only what you are deeply passionate about. This book is worth buying for the chapter describing the model alone, as you can apply it to your life as much as it to the organization. Technology is never the basis for becoming great. Jim Collins says management is.